Welcome to Virtual Open House. My name is Jessica McLeod and I'm teaching 8th grade reading strategies. Your student will attend class during the 8th grade related arts block. E1 students come from 8:30 to 9:10 and E2 students come from 9:15 to 9:55. We will be working daily on improving your students' reading skills so that they can master all that they need for their core content classes. We will be working on daily work as well as vocabulary. We will have both formative and summative assignments. Formative assignments are 50% of their grade, and summative assignments are also 50% of their grade. So daily work will count for half, tests and quizzes will count for half. I have RTI every Friday from 2 o'clock to 3:45, and I am available for individual or small group help for any of the students in my classes. I look forward to being part of their educational team this year and working with you and ensuring that your students have an excellent year at Creighton. Thank you for sharing your students with me.